Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very gorgeous paper quilling sweets. These are Indian sweets shadow box come gift box, and these are looking very tempting, very realistic, isn't it? So I will show you gujia, imarti, some milk sweets, mithai, laddu and everything. And all are made using paper quilling strips, and you can just check out the box from all the sides. Simply open the box like this. I have put lots of chocolates inside the box, but you can put any kind of gift like watches, goggles or any jewelry. Whatever you want to put inside the box, you can gift it in upcoming Diwali festival. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking yellow color cardstock, which is 28 by 19 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 3.5, 7, 21 and 24.5 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet in 90 degrees, and from left side I have creased at 3.5, 7, 12 and 15.5 centimeters. Now folding all the creases and burnishing it nicely with bone folder. Here I am showing you how to make the base of the box. Then we need to chop the corners like this. Very easy. And with the similar method, we have to chop remaining 3 corners. So cutting portion is done. Now it's time to adhere it and constructing the box. So nice, sturdy and strong base box is ready. You can put up to 250 gram weight inside the box. Then to make lid, here I am taking 14 by 14 centimeter sheet, and from left side I have creased at 5.5 and 9 centimeters. Just folding it like this, and it will cover the box nicely from all the sides. Then on one side I have added double-sided tape, that is on the back side of the box. So I am just attaching golden Gota putty lace here so that we can tie the box. Now add glue on the base side and stick it with one side of the lid like this. So just like the bottom, I have added double-sided tacky tape on the lid as well. So removing the liner and connecting one more Gota patti lace on top, and it will work like this, very easy. Then I am going to decorate this with beautiful pattern paper. This is by Dress My Craft. All the links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. And I just love this paper pack so much. This is so festive. All the shades are pastel and it goes very well with any kind of festive projects. I just love this paper pack so much. So decorating from all the sides. Then here I am taking 14.5 by 3.5 centimeter of white color cardstock. From top to bottom I have creased at 0.5, 1.5, 2 and 3 centimeters. Can you see the creases? Then from left side I have marked at 0.5. Similarly from right side I have marked at 0.5. And we need to mark on second crease line also from both the sides at 0.5 centimeters. Join the pencil markings and connecting it diagonally with third crease line corner from both the sides. Then we just need to chop the pencil markings. Fold all the creases and construct the pipe kind of shape by sticking first flap with the last one. Here I am showing you how to create the shadow box. So this is the longest side of the shadow box. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more with the same measurements. Now taking 3.5 by 5.5 centimeter sheet, and from left side I have creased at 0.5, 1.5, 2 and 3 centimeters. Again folding all the markings, burnish it nicely and construct the pipe kind of shape. So we need one more this type of shape. So all four sides of the shadow box are ready. Now it's time to construct the box. So we need to join all four parts together. And the beautiful frame for shadow box is ready. Then I'm just decorating it from outer side using this same paper pack strip in purple color. And then it's time to stick the frame on top of the lid. But before that I am going to stick one more of white color cardstock on the top to make the lid more sturdy. And then on top of this I am adding my shadow box frame. So this is done. Then it's time to make the sweets. So here I'm starting with making the gujia, my favorite one. For this I'm taking 2 strips of light brown color in 3mm and making one semicircle. Just making the dome using quilling mold. Fill this with glue and keep it aside. Then taking one small piece of same color strip and just making the twisted strip like a curly strip, and we need very small piece of this curly strip, wrapping it around the semicircle shape. Hold it for a few minutes, cut the excess strip, and then to give it little realistic look, I am doing little shading using brown and dark brown color. Here I am using watercolors. You can use any kind of colors. And the gujia is ready. Similarly, we need total 3 gujias. Then starting with making the imarti. You can also call it as jalebi. For this I am taking one strip of orange color in 3 mm, dividing in 2 parts, taking one more strip in orange color, dividing in 2 parts, taking all 4 pieces together, folding from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer. Cut the excess strip from bottom. Loose it little bit, add lots of glue at the end, stick it with the circular shape, hold it for a few minutes using tweezer. And the imarti is done. Now to give it little realistic look, I am creating spiral pattern using maroon color between this. And the super cute and yummy imarti is ready. Similarly, I have prepared total 4 imartis. So this is done. Now I am starting with making the rose barfi. For this I am taking one pen and wrapping one strip of white color in 3 mm around this, and then creating the square ring shape. Then taking one strip of light pink color and wrapping it around the pen and making one more square ring shape. Joining both the squares together and then sticking it with the pink color cardstock from pink side of the shape. Then just trimming the excess paper. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 1 mm, making one small dome shape. Add glue inside the dome and stick it exactly on top of the barfi. Then just decorating with some pink color as the icing. And similarly, I have prepared total 4 barfis. Then I'm starting with Kaju Katli, everyone's favorite, isn't it? For this I'm taking 2 strips of off-white color and making one diamond shape. Add little glue on top. Then I'm taking here silver mirror cardstock, just chopping it in small pieces and sticking it on top of the barfi. So it will give you the silver foil work which usually Kaju Katli has, and it will give nice realistic look. So I have prepared total 4 Kaju Katlis. So cute. Then I am proceeding for mango barfi. For this I am taking 1 strip of off-white color in 7 mm and making one bended semicircle like this. Then wrapping one crimped yellow color strip around this. This is made using crimper machine. and then just sticking some small yellow color pieces on top of this just as the topping. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Then I am proceeding for the laddus. These are motichur laddu. For this I am taking one strip of yellow color in 3mm and making one dome shape. Just decorating this dome using some orange and dark yellow color paint dots to give realistic look. And the laddu is ready. So we need total 5 laddus. Then starting with the last one, that is pista burfi. For this I am taking half strip of 7mm in light green color and making one tight coil. Then again taking silver color paper and chopping in small pieces, decorating my burfi using the silver foil. So we need total 5 pista burfis. So all the mithai or sweets are done. Then taking back my box, and I'm just decorating the top using gold mirror cardstock because I thought the sweets will look more attractive on top of gold mirror. Since this is the festive box, it should have some glimmer. Then roughly I have arranged all the sweets on top of this, and one by one I am sticking it using glue. Then on top of the frame I have added double-sided tape, just removing the liner and sticking one piece of acetate sheet on this so that it will protect our all the sweets and it will also look nice from top. And then for the final touch I am decorating the box using this beautiful frame design. And inside the box I have put some chocolates, but you can also put candles or handmade diyas or tea lights or anything, whatever you wanted to gift for the Diwali festival to your nearer and dearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.